Hello guys and girls, today we shall finally get our fingers to work. We will explore some basics and foundations of terminal, shell, command structure. So let's begin. So what is the shell? The shell is the command line interpreter that translates commands entered by a user into actions to be performed by the operating system. The Linux environment has quite a bit of shells, some of which have been around for many years. The most popular one is obviously Bash shell. So when we open terminal, which runs Bash shell, something important is displayed in terminal window, which is a prompt, or this $sign symbol. It indicates that shell is waiting our input. Let's explain what this prompt shows to us. The first part is username. The second part is system name. And this third part is current directory. In our case, tilde symbol, which is a shorthand for the user's home directory. Now let's execute a command. But what is a command? Let's say it's a software program. When we execute it in our command line interface, it performs an action. So for example, let's try this command, ls, which by the way lists files and directories contained in our current working directory. This time we did not use any options or arguments. So for many commands can be used by themselves without further input. Some actually do require additional input to run correctly, like options and arguments. So for example, let's add this option to the ls command. -l, or flag or switch, however you want to call this, which displays the information in the long format and gives us additional information about files located in the current working directory, which we will talk about more in future videos. So generally, options can be used to expand or modify the way a command behaves. Now let's see an example of some arguments. For example, ls-l/var/log. This /var/log argument will display detailed information about files in the var/log directory. Now let's use some more examples, like command whoami, for example. Let's clean this. As you can see, this displays username of the current user, in our case, or in my case, Samantha. We can try this command, for example, uname, which displays the information about the current system, or more precise, the name of the kernel we are using. Now, additionally, we can use an option as we mentioned before. Traditionally, in Unix, options were expressed by a hyphen followed by another character. For example, uname -n or -n. There we go. This /n option prints system node or hostname. This is the name the system uses when communicating over the network or so. But in Linux we can use as well like this, name - node name. We will get the same result. So two hyphen characters followed by a word. Well, that is it for now, guys. See you in the next topic. Cheers.